Natalee.
I'm Juliana.
Hi, I'm Pricilla.
And I'm Alex. We're part of the Alien Candles Packing Capstone team. Every time a new order comes in, Aileen builds a staffing plan from scratch. There is no standard process, which leads to inconsistent estimates and wasted labor. We built a tool that automates the entire process. It generates a standardized template, takes in product details, and produces a complete staffing plan at the press of a button. The tool outputs the optimal number of operators, bottlenecks steps, and expected shift output. We also ran multiple scenarios and a sensitivity analysis to understand how different configurations affect production. Aileen can now plan any order in minutes. Faster estimates, lower costs, and fewer bottlenecks.